Hi. We're back. And today we're doing something called Colossal Cupcake.
It's a huge cupcake.
It's a big cupcake, literally.
So what you're going to need, cake batter.
Cake mix.
A spatula to mix it.
A bowl. I know it's a weird bowl to
We have 1 cup of water. I don't want to move it because I don't want to spill
1 cup of water.
3 eggs.
Half a cup of oil. 3 eggs. Actually, we're going to put these down on the table because they're just going to be cracked anyway. It's fine, eater. Don't breathe. And then your colossal cupcake.
There's 3 pieces.
We're not sure how it works yet.
The top, the bottom, the filling insert.
I don't know what this is.
Filling insert.
Oh, this is only if you want to put filling in, which we're not doing. So we don't need that.
Okay. So we're going to have to start with this. So now you're going to take out your bowl. Would you want to pull this in because I want to crack the egg? I want to mix it too. Okay.
Oh, I put the eggshells in here for now, so I can throw them out more easily. Clean. Oh!
You're not very good at that. She left a shell in, which she took out, and she got some on the table. I'll show you my skip. And it exploded all over the place. You're not very good at this. I need to teach you how to get it. And go wash it. And my leg. I just tap it until it's a little broken, and I put my thumbs in. Well, not in, but like I push on it. And then I open it in half. So then you can just do this, and it's all clean. And if you do eggs, you do want to make sure you do wash your hands after. That's salmonella. So I'm going to go rinse my hands.
Next, we're going to add the cup of water.
You could cup the water.
Okay, and I don't know how much Mama gave me of the oil, but it is a half a cup of oil. And I know this is bad where I'm using a cup and estimating, but that's what I'm doing. You shouldn't really estimate too much in cooking.
Imagine we have to take out the egg yolks.
She gave me too much oil.
Too much?
Yeah. Okay.
We need one more.
Then.
Is it in a half? Oh, it's a half a cup. I thought you said a cup.
You mix it all up.
Mixing cam, go.
You should mixing cam. No. So while we're mixing it, we're going to talk about our YouTube channel. No, it's going to be sped up anyway. My hair is a mess. It's been a long, hot day. It's been an interesting one at that too. I got to watch Bolt today. You ever watch what? That was the movie that we got to watch in the cafeteria. What was it? Bolt. Bolt. Can I mix a little? No. Just a little bit. Oh, wait, there's an egg yolk. Nita, give me a turn. Okay. Quick while we're doing this, when you use a colossal cupcake, you just want to fill. I know. You just want to fill the bottom piece an inch. That's like slime. Don't play with it. An inch before the very top of it, and then you don't do anything with the top.
The cake is all mixed.
Not quite.
Well, I think the cake is all mixed.
Yeah, but you're not right. There's still chunk. Look at. That's what the chunks are.
Evil.
Did you get mad? Go wash your hands.
So.
I was wrong earlier. Yes, you do these separate. The top and the bottom are separate.
Yeah. Then you
I got a little confused with the
on
filling.
top of each other, I think. Is that right?
Yes, ma'am.
And then you put your frosting on this.
So now that I believe it is,
I don't think this is going to be enough.
we'll make it be enough. It'll just be a smaller cupcake. All right, we'll do the bottom mold first because that's what it said, and then the remaining goes in there because that can be smaller. Okay, I'll hold it up and you scoop it out.
Oh, great, I just got my hand. Oh, maybe this won't be enough. Is this only good for the bottom? Mm-hmm. I think the bottom. Wait, top of it? Okay, yeah, keep going. Make sure you scrape the side and everything. You keep going that way. Sorry, I'm trying to look at it. Don't. Okay. Look at the side with my hand. I'm not good at scraping the side. Hold on, let me scrape the side for you. Okay, don't make that face to me. Actually, that sounds well. Like, we should make the thumbnail after. Okay, eggs. So I guess the white sound is kind of mixed with the chocolate. Which should be good, or it could be horrible, but that's over here. We'll try it. Give me a what? How do you go get that water and I'll crack that? You really gotta crack your hands, I don't know how you do it again. I'm cracking what? 4 eggs. 1 egg. 1. Because you're not very good at it. Don't use your whole hand, use your thumbs. Okay, that was better. I'm gonna do that. Now go throw it out. That's still mine. That's okay. Go throw that away. wash your hands and get a cup of water. I'll be doing the other two because Ada likes to leave shells. Ada likes to accidentally leave shells in. So. Yep, we've had a half a day all week, except for one day. So, dose egg. Oh, okay. Trace egg. Should we just put the rest in? Measure it out to make sure we have enough.
So we put everything into our white cake mix. You don't have to show it. Stop it. It kind of looks nasty. But we're gonna mix it, and then we're gonna put it in our top mold. What was that?
It's a cup.
Oh my god, I sound like an egg.
Here's your fault. Oh. Okay. This is my fault. Okay. Not really. Yeah, no, it's really nice. Yeah. Oh. It's okay, that's your process of cooking. You wash your hands like 1,000. Good. What should we do with the rest of this batter? Eat it. No. Here's not good. Cupcake! Go ahead. It's either really cool, really gross, or really dumb. Yeah, or it tastes really dumb. But it tastes dumb. Like, why would you put these flavors together?
So now we're gonna be making frosting. We're making
Peanut butter.
Yep, we're making peanut butter frosting. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna take half a cup of butter. Half a cup. Because remember I said a whole stick of butter, so that's a half cup.
And now we need...
And then we put in the peanut butter. Oh wait, what you're gonna need, sorry. I got too excited.
Butter, peanut butter, and
Powdered sugar. And salt and vanilla.
Extract. And then a mixer,
Yes.
of course. This is a slick.
So what you want to do first is you do the peanut butter and the butter. The butters. So we put all of our peanut butter in. So now we're going to mix it. Start at a low speed. Maybe a little more than that. Now it kind of looks like peanut butter, but like lightened, I guess.
To smooth it out and to scoop it. Oh, she does not care.
I don't need the other one. Okay, so you're gonna need 3 cups of powdered sugar.
But you gotta do 1 cup at a time. So you're gonna mix it. Oh boy.
Okay, that's enough. Okay. Put it at a low level. A little more than that. A little more than that. 3. One more. A teaspoon of salt.
Don't mix it. Well, you can.
Alright, well, I'll just do 2 halves.
Okay.
Give me a minute, and then you have to take it out. Get a plate to put that on.
Can you hold it right there?
It's fine, just lean it in. Lean it in. Which means 4 of these, because this is a half. Okay, move your arm.
Can I use this? I'm using the big mixer.
1. Go read the instructions. Go. Stain on my shirt. So the bottom half had a lot more batter in it, so it is currently still in the oven. But this has dried. I mean, not dried. Cooled out for a little bit, so it's not that hot.
Oh, it's still hot.
It's
still have
warm.
To cool it off.
But we're gonna take it out to help that process.
We got a knife.
We don't need a knife.
Well, we might have to. We just flip it up. Flip it. Flip it. Oh.
It's a little toasty. So we are back, and we have finished our cupcake. It is yet to be frosted, though.
I'm wearing a paper hat. Yes, I am.
This is what it looks like. We do have the dent in the side because how I cut it, but I'll focus on this side. And then we also have our peanut butter frosting, which we have taste tested, and it is pretty.
I'll hold it up.
Okay.
No.
We'll just slap some on.
Not too much.
And hope that it'll warm up.
Mom, can you warm up the thing for a few seconds? The microwave? Yeah. Is it really cooked enough, careful, really careful. Super delicate now. The frosting doesn't want to stay on. Life is good. Unless you have an allergy. If you have an allergy, this is an alternative of by cream frosting. That usually goes best. Okay. Okay, now we should do the top. Which means I'm going to slap it right on. So if anyone's having like donut balls?
Okay, fine. Okay, now go get some rainbow jimmies.
Anyway, the camera won't probably won't see it.
Oh, sorry. Anybody that's not from New England, that is like our term for sprinkles. If
Yeah.
you're not aware of
It's
that.
rainbow jimmies or chocolate jimmies. But with
Well,
chocolate
actually,
jimmies,
no.
you just call them
Jimmies. See, people call rainbows like Jimmy's sprinkles, but like here in New England, they're still Jimmy's. Like, come on, stop it.
It's because it's from a brand rainbow that she was right behind me and mine. And I said, oh yeah, I want rainbow jimmies. So I was like, what? Jimmies? They're sprinkles. Well, we don't know. We're in Florida. We don't know where like, wicked. I say wicked. It's not like a stereotype kind of thing. Like, we actually say wicked. I don't know. I should take the same chicken now. Okay, whatever you want. It doesn't matter. I don't care. Well, actually, I just found out today from my history teacher, that's my teacher, that you know how somebody looks like Halo White when you're driving? That's only a New England term. You know that? Yeah, I just found out that today. Are you kidding me? Like, I thought that was in every, like, American term. Or people that speak English. It sounds like it. There's no, like, thing you have to peel off on here. Like that. So, like, when you handle it, you have a little space. So, it's like,
Make a peanut butter ball.
So, this is what it looks like.
This is also how I make peanut butter balls.
The frosting is...
Basically, peanut butter balls.
Could use more butter, though. Should make it into a smiley face. Move these two down.
Don't touch it.
See? Look at now it's a smiley face. So this is our cupcake.
Hold up.
It has lots and lots of sprinkles.
It's okay.
Hold up, fell off.
All right. Should we taste test
Water
it?
sugar.
Should we taste test it?
You can, because I'm kind of full. I ate some of
I
it.
just want a swivel, but a swivel is gonna go a long way. How do I do this? Okay. No,
cut it.
no, I'll cut it.
they have a cake. Cut a corner off, so it's like the professional cake. Just don't eat it all.
Okay, so we've come to our conclusion. That this was pretty worth it.
And too much sugar.
I just realized you can't see us. I think it's pretty effective.
Except for
It is
right here.
for timing. I didn't actually take time of how long it took to cook.
Probably like an hour.
Maybe. I think depending on your cake mix, what you do, it really just depends. But and the peanut butter frosting, that's really good too. That was really good.
I think that's the best part.
That was the best part, basically.
Okay, so, Noelle, did
Yes.
we nail it or failed it? I think we nailed it.
I think we nailed it.
Woo, why?
Because it tastes good. Okay, so we are now done. You can see our beautiful, gigantic.
Professional cake. You see that?
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
We only cut a little bit because it was just enough so I can eat it.
Okay,
'Cause I
right
don't eat
here
too much.
is like a cup, like a mini cupcake.
Not even. Anyway, this is really fun. The peanut butter frosting was really good. It's also how I make
Peanut butter balls, which
peanut
we
butter
know.
balls. Oh no!
Oh, no.
Jerry. Oh, yeah, Jerry.
Sticks.
Actually, no, we need to give that a real name. So that's okay.
Fred.
Fred? Fred. Anyway, thank you for watching.
Joe.
And
Sally.
come back again next time, I guess.
Iceberg.